to study animal tissue. Animal tissue is of 4 different types: epithelial tissue, connective tissue, nervous tissue, and muscular tissue. And in this video, we are going to study nervous tissue in detail. Right? Nervous tissue. Okay, nervous tissue is a specialized tissue in the body which transmits messages within the body. Our brain, spinal cord, and nerves, they all are composed of nervous tissue. This is a very special tissue. It makes a link, like it transmits messages, it receives stimuli and transmits same impulse to the next body. And the basic unit, the main part of this nervous tissue is neuron, also called nerve cell. This neuron or nerve cell, from one neuron to another neuron, impulse is passed, and similarly it reaches to different body parts. So basic function of nervous system or nervous tissue is to transmit messages. Fine. Now we are going to study detailed structure of neuron. Neuron is having cell body called cytosol. Okay. This part, this is called cell body or also called cytosol. This part contains central nucleus and around it there is cytoplasm, and these branches are called dendrons, which are further having branches so that they can receive messages from far off places, from all the surrounding cells. Fine. You have the highly branched. So on. So this is cell body of neuron, or also called cytosol, which have central nucleus, cytosol, and in the cytoplasm you find tiny structures which are called Nissl granules. Actually, what are these? These are the clumps of ribosomes, cluster of ribosomes which synthesize proteins. Right? And these are dendrons, and further branches are called dendrites. Now, one of the dendron, it go very long, and we call it axon. Actually, this neuron can be a meter long. They are very long. This part receives the message and pass it to the other end, and the next neuron which is here, that receives the message and pass it to the next, and this continues. This goes on. Okay, this is one of the dendron which goes long, and it have at the end it have branches or swollen parts. We call it nerve endings. Okay, these are terminal ends are called nerve endings. Now, this axon, it is covered by a layer which have, see the links over here, it has layer, it is surrounded by a layer okay. This is axon. This layer is called medullary sheath, and it has peripheral nucleus. At the ends you find nucleus. Fine. So this is nucleus, and here you find this connection or this bent-in part that is called node of Renwick. Okay, what happens now? The cell which is surrounded by this neuron, what is happening in the cell? That these by this branches, that is dendrites, this information will be received. The dendrites receive stimulus that is passed to the cell body. From the cell body, it is taken by axon, which is very long. Then same message, same stimulus is transmitted to the other end. Now, here similar structure, another neuron is there, which receives that message from these nerve endings, and similarly, same is passed to the next. So this is about the structure of neuron, which is the basic unit of nervous tissue. Now, what is the function of nervous tissue? Its main function is to receive stimulus. Stimulus, you know, if somebody is pinching you, you can feel that. If somebody come and prick a needle to you, you will feel it, you will scream. How this is happening? Because each and every body cell that is having surrounded by neuron, that is having connection with nerve cell. Whatever is happening, that is felt by, in the form of stimulus, what is happening, that is actually stimulus. That neuron receives that stimulus and give it to the next neuron. And similarly, it is passed to spinal cord, it is passed to brain, and action is taken. And you know, this is happening at very quickly. You can see at the speed of electric current, electric signal. So this is how our body is working. This is the most specialized tissue in the body which performs the function to transmit messages in the body. Clear? I hope this tissue is clear to you. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next video.